Hello and welcome to KahindoTech. In this video, I'll show you how to add your birthday Twitter app. But before I begin, I would like to let you know that this video is brought to you by Amazon Prime. If you're up on Amazon, you can save a lot of money by getting an Amazon Prime subscription. If you want to learn more about how you can save all this money, click on the Amazon Prime trial subscription link. You can find this link in the video description. Now let's get back to the video. Like I said, I'll show you how to add your birthday Twitter app. We'll start by opening up your Twitter app. When you arrive on this main screen right here, look on the upper left-hand corner where you're going to see the 3 bars right there. As I'm tapping on those 3 bars, so then when you tap it, you arrive on this main screen right here. Look for it says profile right there. So tap on profile, then you're going to arrive on this main screen right here, and look where it says, look on the upper right corner right there where it says like edit profile. So make sure that you tap there, edit profile right there, as you guys can see. Then you're gonna arrive here. Go all the way on the bottom where it says add date of birth, and tap there. So tap there. So right there, where it says birthday, just tap your birthday right there. Tap your birthday. So make sure that you tap the arrow pointing down. When you tap on the arrow that's pointing down, it will bring you right here. Then you can decide when you are born. So let me see. I mean, you can put whatever date that you the day that you were born. So once you finish this, look on the upper right where it says continue, and make sure that you tap on continue right there once you select your date of birth. So tap continue, then you're gonna show up right there. But once you finish there, look on the upper right where it says save. Make sure you tap on save right there. When you tap on save, they're gonna show you this, and then they're gonna ask you to confirm. Make sure that you confirm it. Confirm right there. Then your birthday gonna be right there. Born November 26th. And that's how add your birthday on Twitter app. If you have like any other questions, leave them in the comment section below. And don't forget to check out the Amazon Prime subscription trial. You can find in my video description. And thank you for watching.